Learning greetings in three languages, Binisaya or Bisaya, Filipino, and English. Binisaya, maayong buntag, maayong buntag. Filipino, magandang umaga, magandang umaga. English, good morning, good morning. Maayong udto, maayong udto. In Filipino, magandang tanghali, magandang tanghali. English, good noon, good noon. Maayong hapon, maayong hapon. In Filipino, magandang hapon, magandang hapon. English, good afternoon, good afternoon. Maayong gabi, maayong gabi. In Filipino, magandang gabi, magandang gabi. English, good evening, good evening. Maayong adlaw, maayong adlaw. In Filipino, magandang araw, magandang araw. English, good day, good day. Maayong kaadlawan, maayong kaadlawan. In Filipino, magandang madaling araw, magandang madaling araw. English, good early morning, good early morning. Maayong pag-abot, maayong pag-abot. In Filipino, maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating. English, welcome, welcome. Kumusta? In Filipino, kumusta, kumusta? English, how are you? How are you? How are you? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? How are you? How are you? Kumusta mo? Kumusta mo? Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po kayo? How are you? How are you? Kumusta imong adlaw? Kumusta imong adlaw? In Filipino, kumusta ang araw mo? Kumusta ang araw mo? English, how's your day? How's your day? Nalipay ko nga nakaila ka. Nalipay ko nga nakaila ka. Nalipay ko nga nakaila ka. In Filipino, ikinagagala kitang makilala. Ikinagagala kitang makilala. In English, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Amping, amping, amping. Ingat in Filipino. Take care in English. Take care. Salamat. Salamat in Filipino. Thank you in English. Thank you. Daghang salamat. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat in Filipino. Maraming salamat. In English, thank you very much. Thank you very much.